Hello friends, new InstaReader beta update version 3.0 is now available in the Play Store. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is a beta update, what are all the new features available in this beta update, and lastly, I will show you how to install this beta update. So firstly, the purpose of this beta update is asking the real users to try out or test the new update before it is officially released in the Play Store. This beta update will only be available to the users who have joined our beta program. So anybody can join the beta program. You can join the beta program and install this new update, try out the new features. If you feel any of the new features is not working properly, you can directly contact us and mention those problems. We will fix those problems and officially release this update to all the users using our InstaReader application. So next, let's see what are all the new features available in this update. New file formats like PowerPoint files with extensions .ppt and .pptx are supported, and Excel files with extensions .xls and .xlxx are also supported. New menu option is introduced in the main screen of the app. If you click on that, it will show you two sections. The first one is help, the second one is general. Under help, there will be option to learn how to use the app and to contact us. Under general, there will be option to set your preferences, to set your TTS and voice, to change app display language, to see your account details, and to report bug or provide feedback, and to share InstaReader download link and rate InstaReader on Play Store. Now, when you upload a PDF file, you can also choose the pages, the from and to page for which you want to create the audiobook. In the listening to audiobook screen, new reading controls like forward 10 seconds and rewind 10 seconds are also added, and a replay button is also added. The next new feature is TalkBack users can read using TalkBack also. First, you have to pause the audiobook which you are listening, then swipe right from there, keep swiping right. You will find previous page button. If you swipe right from there, you will find forward or rewind audio seek control. If you swipe right from there, the text of the current page of the audiobook will be displayed. So you can read that text using your TalkBack. Now you can read paragraph by paragraph, word by word with spelling. You can choose the change reading navigation mode option under settings. Using that option, you can select whether to read paragraph by paragraph or to read word by word with spelling. So any language you can read word by word with spelling. The next new option is set audiobook language. Using this option, you can manually set the language of your audiobook. By default, InstaReader will automatically detect the language of the audiobook and it will start playing the audiobook in the voice you selected for that language. If you feel InstaReader has set a wrong language or voice, you can use this set audiobook language, manually set the language for the audiobook and then click on the play button. InstaReader will start playing the audiobook in the voice selected for that language. And new TTS engines like Auto TTS and Vocalizer are also supported in this update. And in this update, we have provided an option where you can continue reading the audiobook even when you turn your screen off or when you are switching between the apps. You can go to preferences and enable the continue reading option. Then you can, whenever if you turn off the screen or you are switching between the apps, the audiobook will continue playing. So when you are continuing to listen the audiobook with screen turned off or between switching the apps, so InstaReader will playing the audiobook from the background. So to play, pause or go to next page or previous page, you can find a notification in your system's notification bar. InstaReader notification will be available. 3 buttons will also be available. Play, pause button or next and previous button will be available. Using this buttons, you can control your audiobook listening. And a new tools icon will be introduced in the listening to audiobook screen. There are options to share the audiobook, to download the audiobook, to take notes. You can take both text notes and voice notes, and you can bookmark, search for a specific text in the audiobook, and you can track your reading. You can know how many pages you have completed, how many pages are remaining, and how many time is remaining to complete this audiobooks, and many other details using this track reading option. Then you can translate your audiobook. You can edit the audiobook text. If you feel some word is wrong, or if you want to add some more text to the audiobook, you can do that using this edit current page text option. And you can copy the page text. Then you can also skip specific text while reading. So in some books, some specific text will be repeated in all pages. For example, address, phone number, or some punctuation marks. The TTS, while it is reading, it will not avoid those punctuation marks. So if you want to skip those text, numbers or punctuation marks, you can do that by using this skip text option. So you can select this option. You can enter whatever the text, number or punctuation mark which you want to skip. So from then onwards, for the specific audiobook, InstaReader, when it finds that skip text, it will skip while playing the audiobook. Regarding the share and download option, three formats are supported. One is you can share as a text file or download as a text file. You can share as an audio file, MP3 file, or download as an MP3 file. And you can share the entire audiobook with its skip text, notes and bookmarks as a single zip file. So the receiver, maybe it can be your friend or somebody else, they can upload this zip file under create new audiobook. The entire audiobook with the voice notes, text notes, bookmarks, skip text will be there in their phone. So also you can use this option for backing up this audiobook. Notes, everything will be available in the zip file. You can manually back up this audiobook. So when you want to restore this audiobook, you can upload this under create new audiobook and restore it. And for further detail, you can check out our tutorial. In the main screen, there will be a menu button. Under that, there will be a how to use app option. If you select that, it will show you two tutorials. One is English tutorial and the other is Tamil tutorial. You can select your tutorial. Then it will open our tutorial page. In previous versions, we used to make video tutorials, but now it is converted to text tutorial. This text tutorial will be splitted into three sections: initial steps, home page features, and listening to audiobook features. You can select a specific section and read how to use those features in detail. Next, I will show you how you can join a beta program and install this beta update. It is very simple. First, you need to open InstaReader application in the Play Store. In this video's description box, I have provided InstaReader app's Play Store link. Just click on that. It will open InstaReader application in the Play Store. Once you have opened InstaReader in the Play Store, so I'm going to explain that process here. I will use TalkBack to explain this process. So users who are not using TalkBack also can follow along. Now I have opened InstaReader application in the Play Store. I am going to swipe right.
Search more options. Contains ads. In list. Image of app or game icon for InstaReader. InstaReader. Photos, PDF, TXT, DOCX, web pages to audio.
Here there will be a join the beta heading. So under that heading, there will be a join button. If you click on that, you will automatically get enrolled into the beta program. So I'm going to swipe right and find the join the beta heading.
Install. Rate this app 1 star, 2, 5. Writer developer contact. Expand. Try new features before. Join the beta.
So you can listen. There is a join the beta heading. If you swipe right, if you just swipe right once from there,
join button.
There will be
showing
a
items 1 to
join
2
button. Click on that.
Join beta program. Join beta program.
It will show you a alert.
List.
In this alert also click on join.
Because features are cancel. Join button. Play Store.
So now the joining to beta process will be initiated. It can take from half an hour to 1 hour. So please give it some time. After that, when you open, if you have already installed InstaReader application, if you just open the application itself, it will show you an update is available. You can directly update from InstaReader app. Or if you have not installed InstaReader application, you can come back here and click on the install button. The new beta version will be installed in your mobile phone. After using the beta version, kindly provide your feedback. So that feedback is very important to us. You can directly contact us via WhatsApp or email, or you can also directly provide your feedback under report bug or provide feedback section. Even if you feel everything is working fine, also please mention to us. If you notice some problem, please mention it to us. We will fix those problems and release this update to all the users using this application. Thank you.